Chapter 5. Our Clients. Why choose Anthem Bookkeeping and Tax Services? Because we are convenient, accessible, reliable, professional, affordable, knowledgeable, and client-oriented. This is what our clients have to say about Anthem Bookkeeping and Tax Services.
I feel very comfortable with him and believe he's offering a great service, and I certainly will continue with him. And as I said, the value, the cost is not something. It's not a check that I write each week and say, wow, this is high. It's something that's reasonable and I can easily pay. I would recommend him, especially to smaller businesses, because I think that you get both the value and a lot of time from him.
Well, I've been working with Jim D'Incheco for about 20 years. Jim's knowledge of the overall just accounting process is just unbelievable. He's just done a terrific job. Jim has just found ways to take more deductions. He just knows the tax laws very, very well, inside and out.
If I do have the question, I get the right answer. I trust that about him, and we can agree or disagree. He's the one that has the accounting certification and license, so I may not always like the answers, but I know that he keeps us safe and legally knows what we need to do. We specifically run a lot of small businesses. We've got 4 to be exact, so he does a lot of stuff for us and with us in our accounting and monthly bookkeeping. And what that allows me to do as a business owner and as a person as well is look at that whole picture and ask him from the tax perspective, what do we need to do? What's taxable? How do we fill another bucket of money? How do we get our kids through college? And are there other things we can do in these businesses to do that? And he's been very helpful with that.
We're linked into Jimmy's firm, and we pay a minimal fee monthly for that. So he has immediate access to our books on a day-to-day basis. After the end of your annual year, he'll let you know what changes need to be made. So this new way, being over the internet, they have access to us 24/7 and to all our accounts. And I think that was something we talked about, and Jimmy is on the QuickBooks system with All American Accounting, so that was a capability that we could do. We could take a look at. So that was a great benefit to both companies.
Yes, we did. Before we started with All American, we kind of had some problems with the IRS, not getting the correct payments in and stuff. But since with All American and Jimmy, we haven't had any problems with the IRS or have had any contact with them. He's helped us out in our business with the way we spend our money and for equipment, and helps us with our taxes, and it's been a real great help. I would recommend them. They've helped us tremendously in growing our business. He's given us a lot of good advice, and not only with taxes and the finances, but he's a real personable person to deal with.
And I did a little background checking on Jimmy's business and found it to be a sound, stable business.
It's a tremendous savings of time.
We can save you time, money, and relieve your most stressful headaches. If you want quality, value, and service, allow us the opportunity to serve you. Call us now.